Welcome back to this Chapter 4 video tutorial on Macro and VBA Basic to Advanced video series. In this tutorial, we will be learning about the user interface of VBA window and how to write the macro codes in VBA. To open VBA, click on Developer tab, then Visual Basic. This is the Visual Basic for Application window. This section is called the Project Explorer. Here you can see the objects of all open worksheets. It can be sheets, charts, modules, and user forms. This part is the Properties window. It shows the properties of the selected object in the Project Explorer. You can view and modify the properties of forms, controls, and other objects here. This part is called Code window, where you write, edit, and view your VBA code. Here you see the codes which we created by using macro recording in previous chapter. Each object in the Project Explorer has an associated code window. This code window is for the Module 1, which you can see here at the top of VBA window. This part of VBA is called the Immediate window. This is a powerful tool for debugging. You can execute individual lines of code, print variable values, and test functions and procedures here. These are called the menu bar and toolbars. These provide access to various commands and tools in the VBA, such as running your code, accessing the object browser, and adding modules or user forms. Let's start. How do we write the macros in VBA? First, let me create here a new sheet and rename it as Write Macro. To write macro codes, we need to create a module. To create module, click on Insert tab, then Modules. Here you see a new module is created. To rename this, click on the module. Then, in the Properties, change the name. Let me rename this as Write_code. Press Enter. If this Properties window is not enabled, you can activate this from View tab. Click on View tab, then Properties window. First, you need to make a sub-procedure. So type here sub, space, type the procedure name. Let's write it as my_first_code. Open and close parentheses. Note that, in procedure name, you must not use any spaces. Press Enter key few times. Between this sub and end sub, we have to write the codes. Suppose that if you want to write a text in cell A1, then the code is range, open parentheses, type double quotation, A1, double quotation, close parentheses, dot. Value is equal to MS Excel training. Note that the text value should be enclosed by double quotations. Now, if you run this code, the text value will be filled in A1 cell. To run the code, click on this Run button. There you see. The text value is written in A1 cell. Now, let's write here another code line. MSGBOX, space, double quotes. Value filled in cell A1. Double quotes. Now run the code. Here you got this message box. Click on OK. It goes to VBA window again. Let's write here third line of code. Range, open parentheses, double quotes, A3, double quotes, close parentheses, dot. Value is equal to 100. Now run the code. Here you see 100 is added to A3 cell. There are other methods of referencing the cells. For example, to write 200 in A4 cell, you can write cells, open parentheses, 4, 1, close parentheses, dot. Value is equal to 200. This 4 and 1 refers to fourth row and first column, which is the A4 cell. Let's run the code. Cell A4 is filled with the number 200. Here, if you want to see how these macro codes are executed step by step, you can use the Step Into tool. Let me delete all the values from the sheet. Open VBA. Click on this debug menu. Here you have Step Into option. The shortcut key is F8. Click on this Step Into. Now the first code line is highlighted. It means this code is ready to execute. Now press the F8 key in keyboard. The second code line is highlighted. If you press F8 again, this code will execute. Here you see, MS Excel training is written in cell A1. Press F8 again. Got the message box. Click OK. Press F8 again. The third line of code is executed. So, you can use Step Into tool to execute the code line by line. Let's learn how to pass values to multiple cells at once using macro. For example, if you have to fill cell B1 to B10 with some value. In this case, the code is range, open parentheses, double quotes, B1, colon, B10, double quotes, close parentheses, dot. Value is equal to VBA. Run the code. Cell B1 to B10 is filled with the text VBA. So, this is how we write the simple macro codes to input values in cell. In the next chapter, we will learn how we can write macro codes to copy and paste the data from one range to another. Thank you so much for watching. See you on next tutorial.